Check mic. Zambales. Yeah, what a happy day. I made a rap today, and I downloaded a new Android app today. Yeah, I was having a good crap today. Haven't been smiling like this ever since back in the day. Got no fans, so I just gotta please myself when I kill this track today. No, not masturbate, you don't get it, but that's okay. A girl wanted me to know her ass is mine for me to smack today. We'll see, I'm feeling it back, might just the home relax today. Yeah, what a way to play the game, ready to pave the way, and I came to stay. Feeling so great today, like the whole universe was tailor-made for me. There's a second verse also. You gotta check that out. It's coming soon. Yo, listen. Let this lovely day hit him in the forehead. Wake up call, what the fuck you really wanna do on this lovely day? Come with me, sit with me on the front porch, just live in the moment. Feels nice, make you wanna stay. Lovely day. Should've seen this lady at the grocery store today looking at me smiling. She's not the same as everybody else, and I want her for myself. Ladies want the best, half-bred, lyrical acrobat, writer. Vem av dem igen, tända väl vad det med mig igen. Oh. Yeah. La 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 la. It's a lovely day. It's a lovely day. It's a lovely day. It's a lovely day for me. Thank you.